Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what's new for summer in B&M. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see more Come Shop with me's, and let's get right into the video. you guys really enjoyed the Come Shop with me in B&M. I just thought I'd share with you what I picked up in there. It's nothing that exciting, it's just a couple of snacks. So first of all, I got, well, this isn't snacks. I picked up some cotton buds. These I think were only £1, but I like them because they're the paper stemmed ones. Next we have, well, this is all the snacks. I find B&M really good for all of like the naughty treats and things like that. They do a really good selection of chocolate and drinks if you just fancy some like Saturday night snacks, which is usually what Ben and I go for. So I grabbed this for Ben. It's a Milka bar and it's got the white and milk chocolate in it. Also, everything's really affordable in there. If you're looking for something like the American candy, they have a great selection in there and it's super cheap. The next thing I saw were these, I really like these Graze bars, and they are honeycomb and caramel, and you get 6 in here. These Kinder eggs are for me. I love anything that's Kinder related. I really enjoy the bars and the Buenos. It's just that hazelnut filling I'm obsessed with. Also for Ben, I saw this Reese's Overload king size bar. Then lastly, snack wise, I spotted these Lotus Biscotti extra large biscuits. I usually grab the individually wrapped ones in Poundland. I just like to keep them in our biscuit jar for when we have guests and things and they want a coffee. It's always nice to give them a biscuit as well. But these are slightly bigger and you get 10 in here, so I thought I would give these a go. Then for Sully, I saw these Pedigree Jumbones. There's 2 in here. I usually break them in half for him, but he is obsessed, just like any dog, with anything to do with a treat. So we just buy him lots of different things to try wherever we go, if that's to the supermarket or to the farm shop. Lastly, I just saw the Smart Water in there. I grabbed 2 of these. I think they were 2 for 90p, but I really love this Smart Water. These are just to have on hand. We usually buy the big bottles of mineral water from Aldi or Lidl, but I do like this Smart Water because it has electrolytes in it. I was hoping to pick up, they usually have a 6-pack of this that's a lot cheaper, but I found the Smart Water to be the cheapest in B&M, so that's why I thought I'd get a couple. So that was a bit boring, the haul, but I really hope you enjoyed the Come Shop With Me portion. I tried to film as much as I could. I haven't been in there for months, so anything I did see was pretty new to me personally, but hopefully this gave you some inspiration and ideas if you're popping in there soon. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!